doing better than I am.
Down a bit now, son. Don't go so high. And what happens if you go high like that and you go over, you're going to fall over. And you don't really want that. He was doing better than you, Brad. I didn't like to say that.
I should turn this video off.
Concentration on the face. So are you going to come here to on Monday to me instead of going to school?
He doesn't have school Monday.
Are you not at school Monday? That's even better.